So now student, here we will discuss about banking. In banking part there are two parts. In our country there are two parts in banking system. Number one is central bank, that we say RBI, and the other part is commercial bank. Commercial bank like SBI, ICICI, HDFC, all these are commercial banks. Okay, now one by one we will discuss about their work or function. So first we start from central bank and its function. Central bank's functions. Central bank's function. Okay. So we know that central bank is the apex bank of our country. Okay, and its function is different from the commercial banks. So its first function is issuing of notes or currency authority. Issuing of notes or currency authority. Issuing of notes or currency authority. Issuing of notes or currency authority means central bank is the sole bank which can print or issue notes like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, okay, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, etc. Okay, these are the sole authority who can print or publish or issue notes, that means currency. Okay, but 1 rupee note not issued by 1 rupee note or 1 rupee coin not issued by central bank, that means RBI. All other notes issued by RBI. Only 1 rupee note, 1 rupee coin is issued by Department of Finance. Okay, so this is the sole authority, sole department which can issue notes or issue currency. Next is number 2, banker to the government. Banker to the government. What is the function of banker to the government? Banker to the government means, in this function, central bank as an agent or advisor to the government and manage government treasuries, that means government money. Okay, so what is the function? Function is central bank work as an agent or advisor, and central bank gives several types of advice to our government in monetary policies, regarding the monetary policies. They manage our government treasuries, that means government money. Even if government need short-term loan, central bank also give loan without any interest. Government, RBI, that means central bank, give loans, short-term loans to our government without charging any interest. Even if need, then RBI transfer government funds from one treasury to other treasury or one security to other security funds. Okay, RBI did these things. If needed, then RBI transfer government funds from one treasury to other treasuries, and RBI sell or buy government securities. Okay, so here we see that Reserve Bank, that means central bank, advise time to time to our government so that government can perform all the economic, financial or monetary measures. Okay, and that is why the function is banker to the government. Okay, next three function we will discuss in the next video.